Today, we are going to meet some very small but powerful characters in maths. They are called digits. There are only 10 digits in the whole world of numbers. Can you guess which ones are they? Okay, we begin with 0. That's the first digit, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one, I know you guessed it, it's 9. That's it, just 10 digits. But today we're going to learn what is the difference between a number and a digit. And here is the amazing part. These 10 digits can work together to create millions and billions of numbers. So you put digits together to make a number. Let's try it. I'm going to write 5, 7, 6, and 2. This is one number. It is just one number. And if you're good with numbers, you will know that this is 5,762. But this number is made from 4 digits. Digit number 5, 7, 6, and 2. Digits are like building blocks. When we put digits together, we make numbers. Now, let's see what happens to the digit 1. When the 1 stands all by itself, it is worth that, just 1. So this is 1. But look what happens when the 1 moves one place to the left. So from here, I'm going to write it here. This is my new 1. And instead of 1 here, I'm going to put a 0. Now we have 10. The 1 is in the tens place, and this 0 tells us there are no ones. Now, I'm going to move 1 in another place to the left. And let's see what happens. And here, I'm going to put 0, and then another 0. So, when the 1 moved 2 places to the left, now it's worth 100. And if it moves again, 1 place to the left, and then I write a 0 here, and then a 0 here, and a 0 here, it becomes 1,000. Basically, every time a digit moves 1 place to the left, so 1 place to the left, its value becomes 10 times bigger. So it's 10 times bigger. That's like a math superpower. Now, here's a little puzzle. I'm going to write this number now. 2, 1, 0, 3. Which digit, remember digit, is worth more now? Is it 2 or is it 3? What do you think? Well, at first, you might think it's 3, but look carefully. 3 is just 3 units, and 2 is actually worth 2,000. And how do we know that? It's because of where it is placed. Because the 2 is sitting in the 1,000 place, that's why it is worth 2,000. That is so much bigger. So each digit in a number means something different. And how much it is worth depends on where it is placed. This idea is called place value. Let's try one more. So I'm going to write 4305. Which digit is worth the most? Is it 4? Is it 3? Or is it 5? Think about where the digits are placed. And I'm going to let you solve that all by yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.